Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to withdraw money using an American Express credit card in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Make sure you have a cash advance pin. To withdraw money, you need an American Express cash advance pin. If you don't have one, log into your American Express account, use the app or call the number on the back of your card to request or reset your pin. Step 2. Find a supported ATM. Now go to an ATM that accepts American Express card. Look for the American Express logo. Many major bank ATMs support it. Step 3. Insert your credit card. Now insert your American Express credit card into the ATM. Step 4. Enter your cash advance pin. In prompt, enter your cash advance pin, not your online account password. Step 5. Select cash advance. Now choose cash advance or credit card withdrawal from the options on the screen. Step 6. Enter the amount. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure it's within your available cash advance limit. Step 7. Collect cash and receipt. Once approved, take your cash, your card and the receipt. And that's how you withdraw money using an American Express credit card, and that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.